One of the most difficult things about the current COVID-19 pandemic is getting everything in perspective. The statistics coming from countries around the world are very confusing for us all. They represent differing populations at different stages of the pandemic and are not always accurate for logistical or even political reasons. It is probable that eventually these figures will coalesce and show that the vast majority of us, whatever our age and state of health, will live through the current crisis relatively unscathed. The majority will suffer from a minor illness or will not even know that they've actually had the virus. Any deaths caused by it will of course be terribly tragic, but the risks of this happening to you or one of your family and friends is no more than the risk that you or they take of dying of something else in any given year. However, to prevent any unnecessary and avoidable deaths, the government is trying hard to slow the spread of the virus by its policies of self-isolation and social distancing, so that the NHS can have all the staff, equipment and hospital beds in place to cope with a rising demand as the virus spreads. On an optimistic note, it seems that there will soon be a simple and accurate test for anyone who has actually recovered from the coronavirus and thus immune. This will be a big breakthrough, as this ever-increasing number of people will be able to return to work without fear of infection. In the meantime, it is extremely important to follow all the government guidelines about keeping yourself, your family, your friends and the whole community as safe as possible from infection.